Hi, my name is Kayla, and today I'm going to be singing for you Gravity, which is my song that I wrote. I'm a student at the Conservatory of the Ozarks, and this is my talent show performance. So give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you like it. I think I've learned just about everything there is to know about you, to know about you. You swept me off my feet and took away gravity just to catch me, to catch me. I replay in my head all of our memories. When you're falling, feels like flying. It's so hard to see. But you swept me off of my feet just to catch me. And I didn't see it coming. It was gravity. I love the feeling when you pull me close to you. It's magnetic. Can't get enough of it. I never want to lose how my heart is drawn to you. It's true. It was always you. I'm falling, falling for you. I'm falling so deeply and you don't have a clue. What do? It's gravity that keeps me with you. I've learned it all, but I didn't see how hard I would fall for mystery boy. The one thing stopping me from standing on my feet is gravity. I know you'll catch me. I replay in my head all of our memories. When you're falling, feels like flying. It's so hard to see. But you swept me off of my feet just to catch me. And I didn't see it coming. It was gravity. Thanks for watching.